Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. First, I open Instagram account, then click on pro icon, then again click on three dot menu. Now, just scroll down. To click on account center. Now scroll down, then click on personal details, then account ownership and control. Again, click on deactive or deletion. So, if you have a multiple account, select which one you want to delete. I have only just select this one, then click on delete account. Just continue. Then why you remove your account? So I just select one. You can select any others as well. How to use Instagram before you delete account, you might be want to take a look article in our help center or remove something on Instagram. Just click on here. So now you need to select permanently delete account. Just click on continue. Now you need to must be need type your password right here. So I write here my Instagram password, then click on continue. Now this is the final step. If I click on delete account, it's automatically delete from Instagram server. So in this video, you have seen how to delete Instagram account permanently. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.